Imagine if, as you drift off to sleep, your eyes could begin a restorative journey, quietly mending the little stresses, dryness, and fatigue gathered during your busy day. Let's start with number 1, chamomile tea, the bedtime flower. Picture the evening winding down. The lights are off. You're tucked up by the window, cradling a steaming cup of tea. That delicate floral aroma rising from your mug. It's chamomile, nature's gentle invitation to slow down and let yourself be cared for. But chamomile does more than soothe your spirit. It's a quiet powerhouse for eye health. Research shows apigenin helps counteract oxidative stress in the eyes, which can lead to early cataracts, puffiness, and symptoms of dry, tired eyes. Chamomile steps in to ease this microinflammation, letting those muscles relax almost like an internal gentle massage for your eyes. Studies have found it can reduce the buildup of sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that strains the eyes, especially the retina. High sorbitol levels over time may lead to complications like diabetic retinopathy. For the best experience, steep your chamomile tea for 5 to 7 minutes before bed and take a moment to breathe in its calming aroma. It's not just soothing for your eyes, but for your whole nervous system. And here is a classic tip. Chill your used tea bags and place them over your closed eyes for a few minutes to reduce puffiness and banish that groggy morning feeling. Now, for number 2, bilberry tea. Ever found yourself squinting at headlights, struggling with glare, or noticing your night vision isn't quite what it used to be? Enter bilberry tea, a rich purple brew with a fascinating history and some impressive science behind it. While that's more myth than fact, research today confirms bilberries truly do support retinal health. The secret lies in anthocyanins, the powerful blue-purple pigments that give bilberries their striking color. In simple terms, bilberry tea can help your eyes see more clearly, especially in low-light conditions. Our eyes are constantly exposed to light and screen glare, which can damage the delicate cells of the retina. Over time, this may help prevent conditions like age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. For best results, use dried bilberries or tea bags and steep them for at least 10 minutes to release more anthocyanins. Moving on to number 3. Green tea. You might already drink green tea for your heart, but your eyes love it just as much. Green tea also helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar, both key players in long-term eye health. High blood pressure can damage these small vessels in the retina, while blood sugar spikes accelerate oxidative stress. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also calm inflammation in the tear ducts, improving moisture and reducing dryness. And here's a pro tip. Add a squeeze of lemon. The vitamin C helps your body absorb the antioxidants better. What if your nightly tea could actually help your eyes stay firm, clear, and youthful? It's one of the most underrated tools for natural eye repair. As we age, one of the biggest hidden changes inside the eye is the gradual loss of collagen, the structural protein that keeps the cornea and sclera strong and flexible. When collagen weakens, our eyes can lose shape, become drier, or feel more sensitive to light. Rooibos contains a trio of powerful compounds and quercetin that work together to protect and restore this very structure. They also improve retinal blood flow, so your eye tissues get more oxygen and nutrients during sleep. This support helps maintain the elasticity your eyes need to focus and adjust naturally. Another huge bonus, Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it right before bed without worrying about jitters or disrupted sleep. Rooibos supports collagen and quiet cellular renewal all through the night. No single tea is a magic fix, but together they form a gentle, lasting foundation for your vision, health, Each cup you enjoy before bed says one thing, loud and clear. Your future clarity begins with today's.com. Karin, sip. Tonight, choose one tea. Chamomile for calm, bilberry for focus, green tea for defense, or rooibos for strength. Each cup is more than just a drink, it is a quiet act of care that nourishes your eyes for the years ahead. Remember, small, consistent habits create powerful change. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural eye health tips. Here's to clear sight and the peace of knowing your eyes are healing even while you sleep.